Nestled amidst the lush greenery of City Bell, Argentina, lies the MF House. This unique single-family home isn't just built on a plot of land, it coexists with it. Designed with respect for the existing forest, the architects prioritized preserving the trees while creating a spacious and adaptable living environment. The heart of the house is a striking concrete prism, seemingly floating 13 meters above the ground. This suspended volume houses the private areas, offering a sense of privacy and tranquility amidst the vibrant forest. Inside, flexibility reigns supreme. Movable wall panels create a dynamic space that can transform to suit the needs of the family. Storage cleverly integrated within these panels keeps the space clutter-free. Downstairs, the social areas unfold in a single, expansive space. Floor-to-ceiling windows and a large, overhanging concrete slab blur the lines between inside and outside. This fluidity is further enhanced by a wooden module offering ample storage and acting as a natural sunscreen. Sustainability was a key consideration. The wooden boards used for the concrete formwork were ingeniously repurposed. Using a traditional Japanese technique called shosugi-ban, the wood was charred to create a weatherproof and visually striking exterior, mimicking the dark tones of the tree bark. The landscaping, meticulously planned alongside the architecture, fosters a seamless connection between the house and its natural surroundings. Native vegetation creates unique microclimates in different areas, ensuring a comfortable and inviting environment both indoors and out. The MF House is a testament to innovative design and a deep respect for nature. It's a space that adapts, transforms, and breathes in harmony with its leafy surroundings, offering its inhabitants a unique and ever-evolving connection with the outdoors.